green color, purple color, pink color, orange color, sea green color, brown color, red color, light green color, sky blue color, blue color, yellow color, red color. A for apple. Pink color. B for ball. Orange color. C for cat. Yellow color. D for duck. Light green color. E for elephant. Sky blue color. F for fish. Purple color. G for grapes. Blue color. H for hen. Green color. I for ice cream. Green color. J for joker. Blue color. K for kite. Purple color. L for lion. Sky blue color. M for monkey. Light green color. N for nest. Yellow color. O for owl. Orange color. P for pigeon. Pink color. Q for quilt. Red color. R for rose. Pink color. S for sun. Orange color. T for tiger. Yellow color. U for umbrella. Light green color. V for van. Sky blue color. W for watch. Purple color. X for Xmas tree. Blue color. Y for yo-yo. Green color. Z for zebra. Let's learn numbers. Green color. 1. Blue color. 2. Purple color. 3. Sky blue color. 4. Light green color. 5. Yellow color. 6. Orange color. 7. Pink color. 8. Red color. 9. Green color. 10. Let's draw some shapes. Circle, triangle, square, heart, red color, circle, pink color, triangle, yellow color, square, green color, heart. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's learn shapes. Circle, triangle, square, heart. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Know Kids. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.